flame them catch me here a fire. Yeah, it's working then.
But you feel lightheaded? Yeah?
No,
You feel good?
feel good.
It popped in your face. So.
Okay, I guess I'm doing it right.
Oh my god. Anyway, so I did mention that. So this is the second time coming up here, right, Paige?
Yeah.
So for another video, if you guys are available, we can do something different. Yeah. However, seeing it, that's your second time here, what's the experience like? I mean,
good, because I think because I'm a little bit more comfortable in the environment, I got to sleep for like an hour.
Yeah.
Or maybe, a little less than an hour, and I just feel like, wait for these people not living caves.
Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island where I'm stuck with you guys and we are always smiling. So, I don't know if you guys caught the last video, but in the last video things were pretty epic. Let me just put it at that. There is a body of water and I'm here with two beautiful ladies. I'll drop their Instagrams so you guys can go check them out. One is a model and the other one is like a professional interviewer, right? That's what she do, you know, on the big screen. It's awesome. Really cool people. But anyway, today's dish is going to be something that I tried at a hotel before. So I'm going to take you guys really quickly to my whole hotel experience. I think it was at the Secrets Hotel. And you guys can check that out and then you will compare which one you think is better, the hotel version or my version. Now, you guys know the deal. Go to a hotel, try the food or a restaurant, and then compare it with some outdoor cooking. Now, I'm currently at this Secrets Hotel in some Premiere nice room. It's pretty nice, but I got here a little bit late. Did a couple things, you know, got me a nice hot tub shower. It was fantastic, man. I'll give you guys a quick little show of what the room looks like. It got very messy in here, so I never really did much. So yeah. Definitely a great vibe here. I think it was an awesome room, and the biggest part, the nicest part is this back here. First hotel that I've been to that actually has like a jacuzzi like on the outside. It was very refreshing. Now I just ordered a bunch of stuff to try them. Last night I did have steak and potatoes. It was late, I was hungry, so I just wiped through it. So I didn't even got the time to even show you guys what that was like. But I will show you what I'm getting now for lunch, and then I'll pick a few of those things to recreate, and you guys know your job. Drop it in the comments, which one do you think is better? Do you think the hotel food looked better, or was it in the outdoor elements? And if you've ever been to Secrets, drop it in the comments and let me know.
I wonder, is it worth living now? They told me dreams come true once you live it out. I picked up pieces from my childhood in a broken house and heal my soul from the trauma we've been given out. I hear the whispers in the wind under smoky clouds and tell myself once again, I'ma work it out. So much shit can happen, yo, it got me tripping now. Yeah, it's feeling different now. Feel like I'm zoned out, put my phone down, damn it's cold out. Plotting on a rollout, we took our own route, really on our own now. These them winter schemes, plotting for better dreams, cooking flows and melodies for OGs with felonies who've been locked since the 70s. You gotta pray for enemies with jealousy, they only feed off the good-hearted. Just don't bargain, stay in your lane and keep hogging. Know that you a target and gotta finish what you started. Life of being an artist, gotta show them where your heart is. Put your all in, keep calling, keep going, don't stall it. Don't fall for what they all been dishing out. Just be yourself and it'll work it out. I wonder, is it worth living now? They told me dreams come true once you live it out. I picked up pieces from my childhood in a broken house and heal my soul from the trauma we've been given now. I hear the whispers in the wind under smoky clouds and tell myself once again, I'ma work it out. So much shit can happen, yo, it got me tripping now. Yeah, it's feeling different now.
I was literally so hungry, but anyway, I gotta run. I think out of all those three things, what I am gonna work on is gonna be the quesadilla. The linen people are coming to take out the linen because I'm about to bounce right now and just leave this space. Anyway, catch you guys by the waterfall.
I wonder, is it worth living now? They told me dreams come true once you live it out. I picked up pieces from my childhood in a broken house and heal my soul from the trauma we've been given.
Alright, so that hotel was a whole vibe. Customer service was epic. Now, today this is gonna be, I really wanna have my hands tied behind my back because I left my frying pan. So, funny enough, Tiffany, I was gonna do it on the grill, but Tiffany was like, yo, if we have foil paper, we can cook it in the foil. So if we can pull this dish off using like a little grill and foil paper without a frying pan, I think
should be good.
it should be good.
Yeah.
The dish that we're gonna be doing is some leftover jerk chicken breast, really nice and tender. You can literally see the fibers of the chicken, so soft. And we're gonna do some shrimp with that, cheese, tomatoes, yeah, Tiffany's gonna be cutting up those stuff, so I'm gonna show you guys what she's doing over there. And Paige is just meditating. That's what she's doing. How about now? Bruh. Alright, so sweet potato get cut up really quick. I have a question though, like I know what your favorite dish is, but what is a dish that you know how to cook that is like, if you want tire man, or that's funny.
Curry chicken and white rice.
Curry chicken and white rice?
Yeah.
Well, maybe one day I'm make you cook that.
Why not?
Yeah, so we can. Yeah, because curry is a dish where I've done it several times on the videos, but I think everyone has their own rendition to a good, yeah, to a curry. And for me, so far they've all been really good. So, yeah. Alright, so see before I get cut up, how we go do it is the long way.
The long way?
Yeah. So I want them long.
Okay.
Yeah. So you want to cut them in a way that when it's in the quesadilla, you get a slight crunch to it, but it's not overbearing. So I'll go do like a quick saute on it without a frying pan. You see me? So these look perfectly fine. How she's doing it. Wow.
Good?
Yeah.
These two?
Yeah, do the, yeah, why not? Might as well.
I'm doing good.
You're doing really good actually.
I've never done this before.
Oh, really?
I've never cut up this before.
Never cut it before? Well, it looks really good. Not gonna lie. So I have a video idea. My uncle who watches my videos, he's a Rasta. And he gave me a suggestion on a Rasta place to go to. Would you be interested in coming back on a vlog? It's somewhere downtown. I don't know where it is, but I'll go.
Definitely.
Alright, man.
I always want to try new things.
Alright, so if you guys want to see that video, go into that Rasta spot, drop it in the comments. It'll be downtown Kingston, and hopefully I can go there with Tiff and see what the vibe is.
You can go there with Tiff. Tiff is always available.
Right. No, you actually have cut it really nice, you know.
Really?
Yeah.
I pro, I'm gonna know.
You're bomba, you say. You're pro, you don't know.
I'm gonna know.
Alright, bye. Paige,
Yeah.
you really love vanilla, you know?
I swear.
Honestly.
Like, they say, Tiffany and Sydney saying that they look like we spoil people. But I mean, who doesn't want to be spoiled?
Right. Guys, legit. I thought it tastes like an apple, right? It tastes like an apple. Guys, get an organic sweet pepper, or probably any one of them, and just eat a slice of it. Like, it's a legit reason why it's sweet. It's like them call it sweet pepper, like it really sweet. No joke, it's good. Alright, so Tiffany now is removing the seeds because again it's going into the quesadilla, and I don't like when the quesadilla is wet inside. I don't like it either. No, so get rid of the seeds and ting. So yeah. Yo guys, I'll say this all the time about being out here. It might sound gimmicky and it might sound like yeah whatever, but honestly, every time I'm out here, it's a really humbling experience. Even just doing this right now, it kind of always pushes you to like think, or you know, how can I problem solve? That's what I like about it. You see me? It's always humbling, and that's one thing in life. The more you grow or the more you achieve stuff or whatever, yo, you just have to just humble, dog. You see me? Like yeah, you go get nicer things because naturally people grow, you know, you improve, but it's always good when you can always put yourself in humbling situations. You see me? And this is like one of those places. Like when I come out here, so it's like you have to figure stuff out. Like you just have to figure stuff out. And it might seem easy, you know, watching the video. Cause it's like when Tiffany come and she say, boy, when she watch the video she believes say the food are done quick. We're actually out here realize yeah, even though the video is 40 minutes long or 30 minutes long, cooking process is longer than that. Because again, with food, it's humbling. If you think you know that everything is good, sometimes it turns out for the worse. Especially with fire. Like, yeah man, fire good enough. By the time you quit, food burn up. Just have to respect the element of that. And love the food. So anyway, the concept I'm trying to do right here is, I know I need heat for one, but I prefer a flat surface because I'm going to do onions and stuff. So what I'm going to try to do is put some foil on top of this and create like a cooking surface. Of course, like right here is not going to be hot, but like here centrally is going to be good. So hopefully that works. For this dish I don't really need to cook anything like thoroughly, so I'm not too worried. Yeah, hopefully that's good. Alright, so our grill is definitely... Oh no. I never made the foil long enough. I really hope a strong wind doesn't come through, but yeah. Oil. And I just used some... I used about the same shrimp bag, the bag that the shrimp was in. Shrimp is already washed and cleaned. Use some of my own seasoning blend. Eventually when I'm done figuring out how I want to compose this seasoning, yeah, but for now I'm just testing it. So far so good. But I'm gonna toss this and give it a quick cook. These shrimp are already cooked. I just want to get a slight little color on them. And yeah. Alright, my stove might not be the best, but it works. I am seeing some bubbling going on. So I'm gonna leave those for a little bit. Yeah. Alright, so Tiffany got done doing all of this for me. That was a big help. So some of the juice is there. I'm just gonna toss these right on top. I don't know if you guys really know how hard it is to like self-film, like film yourself. I make the videos them look decent. But that's what we're doing right now on these. So you guys can see the process. If you guys like videos like these, remember drop a like on the video. It does help us YouTubers to know what kind of content you want us to see us do more. What persons in the videos you really appreciate it. Alright, so toss that there. Just gonna add a little bit of coconut oil to the top of that, and just a little bit of my seasoning blend. Alright, and I'm gonna leave that there for a while, and then I'll try to flip it over. Tiffany, me have your test a wash up plate for them thing there.
Yeah man, I saw it forgot Africa. Yeah, look at them big now, look at them big now Africa.
Yeah. Even some part of Jamaica same way too. Right.
By the riverside.
And over there, so Paige is sleeping again with vanilla on top of her. Crazy. And then I'm gonna wash my hands and wait for this thing to get done. Alright guys, our stove is working perfectly. So perfect. Definitely don't want these to overcook, so I'm gonna do slight little flip over. Especially for onions, because like onions, if you bite into them just by themselves, just raw, it's very spicy, very don't like it. But as soon as some heat gets to it, flavor start caramelizing and it becomes more of a sweeter flavor. Ooh. Yep. Alright, so the key thing this part where it's starting to get very dark, I want all the moisture to dry off so I can throw this on top here. Last time I did this, one of my subscribers, I think it was K-Star, mentioned instead of putting 2 on top, just put halfway, fold it, and then do your cutting. You do get less, but you don't have to worry about the flip. And in this case, it's gonna work out well for me because I don't have a stable thing to flip. So I'm gonna put that together really quick. And if I don't get any toasting, I can just take off the foil, put it on the grill, get that little quick toast, and then yeah, vibes. Alright, some tomatoes. Sauteed onions and everybody. Again, Paige can't eat gluten-free foods. I mean, this is corn, so I think she said it was okay. Yo, these chicken breasts, they are so tender. And it's not because I made it, like it's like butter. Couple pieces of shrimp in here. And this is just a Mexican cheese blend. Throw that quickly on top. Yo, it actually toasts through. Yeah, no, this is not a mean queso wrap, like it is thick. Some places go like it's very thin, like you barely get anything in there, but yeah, that one I don't mean. Oh, nice vibe. Anyway. Oh. Yeah. Nice and toasted. Nice and toasted, y'all. Love to see it. Alright. I think we have a winner. I'm gonna give this about a couple more seconds. Cut it up, give it to the girls, and let's see, you know, what they think about it. Alright, so this is the first serving. I'll cook the rest, but yeah, I'll do that off camera.
Oh, this looks awesome.
Alright, so try it, tell me what you think.
So,
And if you don't like it, that's on you because you cut up like 60% of all the ingredients. So it means that you never cook them good. Paige, you want some? You can't eat it?
tastes good.
She's like, it tastes like flour. She's like, yo, it tastes good.
Now we have me.
It's good?
Really good.
It is good? Nice.
I mean, cut them up.
Eh? Are you cut them up? Vibes.
Really flavorful.
Yeah, what the flavors you getting? Because I haven't tried it.
Spicy, sweet, mouth-watering.
Paige, me upset. Listen, you have to go eat it and make your belly hurt you. A joke.
Good. It's very good.
I tried to read it, but I couldn't understand what it's saying.
As I said, Steve, we need to open more restaurant.
Vibes. Alright, so I'm gonna go make mine. And yeah. Paige will just relax out here with Vanilla. Vanilla love them life, you know?
I love them like that.
Vanilla, we can't eat things with gluten.
Make everything with gluten.
You just want to see it?
So gorgeous.
Tastes good.
You don't have any fillings? No.
You want filling?
Yeah, I can get fillings instead.
Alright.
Just that I have my rashes.
Oh, I have sweet potato. You want to with it?
Yes.
Vibes.
You can give me half.
Alright. Alright, so I had a bit of sweet potato that's left behind, so that can be Paige's starch. Everything is the same. I'm gonna add some tomatoes onto that later and some cheese. I want it to warm up a little bit. And then we're just gonna top the sweet potato with that. Like again, you're outdoors, once you think about stuff, I mean you can find a solution. So we've never had anything that was gluten free apart from the potatoes. So let's see how that works up, Paige. Hopefully she enjoys it. Alright, so we don't have anything to cover it down to trap the steam for the cheese, so got the calabash bowl there for a while, and then that should be good. Alright, finito. So this is almost like, it's not the prettiest, but it's like a they call it again loaded potato.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's basically what's gonna be.
Thank you, Mr. Stevie, for catering for me.
You need a fork?
Yes, please, Mr. Stevie. It smells good.
Smells good?
Even know how to substitute them instead of the tortilla, sweet potato.
Yeah, the one thing that I'm missing with the sweet potato is because it's soft, so I prefer something crunchy, like the wrap.
Yeah, it's not crunchy, but the sweet potato, I would want you to try it. It adds the sweetness to it. It adds more sweetness to it.
Ah,
Yes,
right.
I like that profile.
Right.
But it's really nice. Not too spicy. The right amount of cheese. I love the cheese in it. And I don't know how the tortilla tastes, but the sweet potato adds a nice sweet flavor.
Right.
Of course, yeah man. I like it. Definitely.
Funny enough, I was gonna try to do I was gonna put some sweet potato within the tortilla. That was my original vibe. I was like, Jano, I'm gonna risk it. No, I'm good.
You good?
Yeah.
You want it?
Paige, forward, Paige. You can't, come on, Paige. Paige. Yeah, when they're not even better for a while. It's true. want to get took off in the water now. Fuck right now.
Alright.
Hey! Paige, come on, Paige. You took one into the water, everything. You're not that cold now?
No.
No. You get acclimatized. Come on, Paige. Let's go! Let's go! What's hoodie in the hoodie? Let's go! What's that there? Are you ready? You're in the kiddie pool. Anyway, I'm gonna go in. Oh my God, Paige, come on! Nice, right? Woo! Yeah, so we got done those 2 dishes today, really good. We have a lot of daylight. Usually I end up leaving here like when it's kind of dark. So again, if you guys appreciate videos like these, I'd appreciate if you guys drop a subscribe. Get us to 100,000 subscribers so we can get so excited! Woo! The reason why I want it to happen, I have a special 100,000 subscriber release for you guys. So yeah, look out for that. I don't even know if you guys can even hear me properly, but yeah, it's gonna be epic. So once we get there, I will do that whole video, and I'm sure you guys are gonna enjoy it. All right, ready for the final dive off? Well, whatever you guys say to go to.
Okay. Ready, Paige? Where's that hurting?
Hold on. Paige, you good over there? All right. Paige.
Oh, you are so close.
Kitty! Oh my God! People often say that the sun will come out tomorrow. So they wait for tomorrow to achieve a certain goal. But tomorrow comes and they say the sun will come out tomorrow. Procrastination. Today was epic, and I'm glad some bucket list items were checked off today. Because who knows? Tomorrow, it
just might rain.
Guys, today was really great.
Really a
Epic.
great experience. I really enjoyed it. The best experience I've ever had. Not gonna lie. And I can't wait for many more. Yeah. It's a great feeling.
When you have good vibes and good people
And
you-
good food.
you cannot pay for that. You can't.